There's importance of the lives. Importance of lives have everything. So everything means that every subject is necessary. On the basis of the subject, we will study all the same things. But calculation without measurement calculations, it's not possible. So in these calculations, mathematics play very important roles. In case of mathematics, pair of linear equations in class 10. So we will study here, and now try to find out the nature of consistency. So let's say start the nature of line and consistency. Okay, suppose that here is nature of line and consistency. Nature of line and the consistency. So the nature of line and the consistency, the nature of line and consistency, nature of line and the consistency corresponding to the linear equations a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. For these one equations, we will try to find out the nature of consistency. Okay, so compare the ratio. We will write here, compare the ratio. Okay, first line we will compare the ratio. Second, graphical representation. Graphical representation. Third, here. Third, algebraic. Here, third, algebraic interpretations. And fourth is consistency. Okay, fourth we will write here according to consistency. Okay, this, and draw a form a box like this. Okay, and second box we will draw here like this, column and row, and close it. So first compare the ratio. Here is compare the a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2. Okay, a1 by first, second, a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. Okay, third, a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. Okay, a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. This will always be, here is the equal. If we are doing the equal, then equals. If we are not doing the equals, then we will find here a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. So we will write here, so here a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, and a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by a2 is equal to not equal to c1 by c2. Okay, so conceal here. Got it? So this nature of consistencies we will write here, so like this, and intersecting lines and coincident. This will be nature intersecting line. This is coincident line. Okay, nature of coincident lines, and third we will get here parallel lines, coincident line. Okay, so algebraic interpretations. What does the algebraic? Exactly one solutions. It get exactly fundamentally one solution, that is called a unique solutions. Okay, second, a1 by a2, b1 by a2, c1 by c2, it is infinitely many solutions, infinitely many solutions. And the third, parallel lines, that indicates the parallel lines have no solutions. Okay, so consistency, we will write here consistency. Here this is system is consistence, and here is system is consistence. Okay, both systems have a consistence, means that's dependence. Okay, here is dependent and here is inconsistent. System is inconsistent, means dependent is inconsistent. System is inconsistent, this is dependence, this is coincident or unique solutions. So it is coincident, here is the dependent, and here is system is inconsistent. So here three conditions come here, so ratio and their graphical representations, algebraic representation, consistency. Here is consistence, okay, this is dependence, and here is the a1 a2 b1 b2 is not equal to c1 c2, always be no solutions, parallel lines, and give the system is inconsistent. Got it? I hope you will understood whatever I'm telling here. So okay, so on the basis of this, each of the cases can be understood with some example. If we take the example, okay, so first of all we will try to take the example so that we can solve the we can show and understand clearly what is the meaning of the comparing ratio and a graphical representation, algebraic interpretations, and it's a consistency. So consistency, so one by one, so we will take the example. So here is the example. Suppose that example we will take here example right here. So first we will write here, so I'm comparing the ratio on comparing the ratio a1 by a2, b1 by b2, and c1 by c2. Okay, comparing the ratio b1 by c2, and without drawing them, without drawing them. Okay, question is here, condition without drawing them, find out whether the line, find out whether the lines corresponding the following points are pair of linear equations, pair of linear equations intersect point or coincident or parallel. Okay, so we have written a questions. First question, 3x plus 5y plus 8, 3x minus 5y plus 8. First is here 3x minus 5y plus 8 is equal to, question is given here, is equal to 0 and second equation, second part of this equation, 7x plus 6y minus 9 is equal to 0. These are the equations given here. Okay, so we will try to first solve here the equations given pair of equations, comparing. We will compare here, comparing the given pair of linear equations. Okay, so a1 a2 a1 a2 b1 b2 c1 c2. Okay, so a1 a1 is 3, a2 is 7, b1 is 6, b1 is minus 5, c1 is 6, and b2 is 6, and c1 is 8, and b1 is here. Okay, b1 c2 is minus 9. Okay, we have written here one by one, so that can clear it. Okay, this. So now compare these equations. We will compare here a1 by a2, a1 by a2, a1 by a2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2. Got it? It's became 3 by 2, 3 by 7, 5 by 7, and 8 by 9. Got it? So if we compare, and this, it's follow a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, means that 6. So what is the result? Result is coming here, is not equal to b1 by b2. So intersecting line. It's so intersecting line. Its also expression is actually unique solution. Unique solution from these tables, according to tables. Okay, and we can say that system is consistent, and system is consistence. Okay, suppose that, for example, we have taken second example. We will take the second example here. Here is second example of 4x plus 3y minus 7 is equal to 0, and second part of this will be 12x plus 9y. 12x plus 9y is equal to, okay, these are the given. 12x plus 9y is equal to 21. Got it? So these are the given equations. 7 is equal to 0. Got it? So comparing these equations, we will find here that's a1 a2 b1 b2. So comparing, by comparing okay, the above equations, we got here a1 by a2 is equal to 4 by 12, b1 by b2 is equal to 3 by 9, c1 by c2 is equal to, here is minus 7 by minus 21. Got it? So 4 1 ja 4, 4 3 ja 12. Okay, 3 1 ja 3, 3 3 ja 9, but 7 choose. Okay, so if we can say that 4 by 1 by 3 is equal to 1 by 3 is not equal to minus 7 by equal to 7 1 ja 7, 3 ja. So 1 by 3 means that a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. Okay, we got here 7 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2, means that it is second, means that it is parallel, coincident. It is coincident. It's infinitely many solutions, and it is dependent. Got it? So dependence. these are the some solutions. Suppose that one example, we will take the another example, one example, so that it can clear. Given a 3x minus 5y, here is equations, x minus 2y plus 5, x minus 2y plus 5, first equation. Third example, and is equal to 0. And the second, we will take here example, second example is here, 8y minus 4x plus 20. 8y minus 4x plus 20 is equal to 0. Got it? So a1 by a2 is equal to 1 by minus 4. Okay. b1 by b2 is equal to minus 2 by 1 by 8 minus 2 by 4. Okay, minus 2 by 4. And c1 by c2 is equal to 5 by 20. Is 4. So we can say that, so here is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2. Not is equal to b1 by b2 is, and b1 by b2 2 2 4. Okay, so we can say that 2 and 4, 1 by 2 we got here, so 1 by 2. So here third equation is telling you that c1 by c2 1 by 4, 1 by 4, and here a1 by a2 is 1 by 4. Got it? So it is also telling us that it is not equal to, means that say here is questions 1 by x and 1 by 8, b 2 by 4 is equation 2 by 4, it's a given here 2 by 4. So third equation is minus 8 2 by 8, it's a not 2 by 8, here is 2 by 8 4, and this is 8, so 2 by 8. We will write here 1 by 8, 2 by 8 equal to 1 by 4 is, here is 1 by 4, 5 and 5, 5 4 is 20. So b1 by b2 is equal to 2 by 8, 1 and 4, and is here 20 and 5 4 is 20. So we have got here the equations is 1 by 4, 1 by 4, and here is it is minus. So because 1 by 4 is plus and this 4 is minus, and this 4 always be minus, here 1 by 4 is minus, so always be minus. So we can say that a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2, because it is plus and both x and a and b are minus, so it is not equal. So we can say that this equation is parallel and no solution, and here system is inconsistent. Okay, this is the method by means of which we can solve the questions. Okay, thank you very much for coming on channels. So I will told you, don't subscribe channels, don't forget to share and subscribe my channels. Okay, bye bye.